Okay. Here it is after it's back from being wired up. Andy Chopp wired it up. He normally wires up race cars. Spare inputs, outputs. Something else there, spare. Fuel pump pressure, CO2 pressure. I gotta hook that all up yet. We pretty much used every input there was. There's just a couple spares. The outputs, not so much. It's the thing with the turbo bike, you almost can't ever have too many inputs. Here's the Pro Street relay box. This made wiring up the turn signals and everything really easy. Here we really got the cam sensor, oil pressure sensor, got the ride height, both the crank sensor and the cam sensor run up the front tubes, so there's no signal cross. Over here we have the, it's going to be the back pressure. Here, it's a back pressure. So I'll be monitoring back pressure this year. Got a shock sensor, travel sensor. I get that mounted yet. It's really clean. I'm very pleased. The way we have it set up, everything's kind of hot yet, other than the Fuel Tech. So like brake lights work, turn signals work. If you hit the bump button, it'll turn the motor over. No spark though. So then when you flip it on, everything starts to power up. Yeah, one of the little things he did for me is turn signals are hooked up through the Fuel Tech so I can see them working. It's a street bike and all, you know. Keep it that way. Headlight, you have high beam is off, low beam, we got a working headlight. Same thing over here. I believe this is the front, rear, and then we have the turbo exit there. Fire core coils. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's clean, the way it should be. When you're paying this kind of money. Yeah, that's about it. All right, thanks. Let me know what you think.